Hi, Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to use an electric hot glue gun. Now, an electric hot glue gun actually is one of my favorite tools because you can do so much with it. Now, they come in different sizes, and the size of the actual glue stick, you want to make sure that when you're buying a glue gun, you buy the appropriately sized glue sticks. It'll come with a couple of them, but you may want to buy extra. The glue sticks go into the back of the gun, and you use it with a trigger. And as the gun is hot, so you plug it in, allow it to warm up a little bit, you squeeze the trigger, and then it slowly feeds the hot glue out of the tip of the tool. It has a little stand on it. Typically, most of them do, where you flip out so you can keep it elevated, because remember, that tip is hot. Be very careful. The trick to remember is it's hot glue, so if you get it on your fingers, you're going to feel it. Just be very careful. You can use a hot glue gun to bond just about anything. Wood, metal, plastic. It's great for arts and crafts. I'm using it here to just take a couple of paint sticks to show you how you just squeeze the trigger, apply a couple of dollops of the glue, depending on what you're trying to do, hold the other piece in place, press it into the glue, wait a few seconds, and that's it. Look, it works amazingly well. So whether you're doing any kind of arts and crafts, or you're trying to do a Halloween costume, whatever it might be, these hot glue guns do the trick. Well, a hot glue gun is sort of like a caulk gun. If you need to know how to choose caulking, that video is coming up next.